Hello and welcome to my rough guide to packing for the Camino Frances. So I am about to embark on the Camino Frances, also known as the French Way, with my husband imminently. And what I have discovered in planning the Camino is there is a lot of information out there, online, podcasts, books and so on, or other people that I've met who've walked the Camino. So there's lots of advice of the do's and don'ts, which, to be honest, I found slightly overwhelming. As you can see, I purchased quite a few books, and to be honest, I haven't really read any of them. Obviously the Pilgrim, Paulo Coelho, is a fabulous book, but everyone embarks on the Camino for their own individual reasons, and I feel that sometimes over preparing can take away from the joy of adventure. And I want to travel light, and in the worst case scenario, I will have to let go of some of my items if I've taken unnecessary items, or I could buy items in Spain. So grab a cup of tea and I will share with you the items that a complete Camino novice has purchased and packed for their trip. The pilgrim who walks the Camino with an animal companion sometimes has it easier, and more often finds it more difficult. Donkeys and horses are used by a few hundred pilgrims each year as a transport vehicle. Even more try to take their dog on the Camino. It's important to know that dogs, aside from certified seeing eye or assistant dogs, are not allowed in the refugios on the way. And apart from that, you will need to carry not only your own equipment but also that of your canine companion. Pilgrims who plan to walk the Camino with an animal companion should think thrice about it. Food and accommodation are difficult to find, and the travel back home can be difficult to arrange. You're staying? Oh dear. So this was the first item that I bought for the Camino, which is a large Jack Wolfskin women's rucksack, and this is excellent. I went on a training course last year in Portugal, so this is excellent. This is a 50.5 litre. So this is a 50.5 litre women's Jack Wolfskin rucksack. Excellent, lovely, lovely rucksack. Really easy to organise all your bits and bobs. Lots of nice pockets. However, it suddenly dawned on me after I did a little practice pack of this bag a few months ago that I had a lot of spare space. So I actually needed a smaller rucksack for the Camino. So I have opted for, bear with me, boop, 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 boop. Oh look, I found more Camino guidebooks that I have not read. So I purchased this, which is an Osprey. What's it called? They usually have a name. an Osprey. Oh, here we are, it's on the front. A Hike Like Tour 32. It's simple, easy to use. It has a rain cover and a little pocket at the back, at the bottom, so if you had a sudden downpour, it's easily accessible. Had to work out where the poles went, so I'm not taking that one out. I've taken the other pole out to show you what they are like. Now the thing is, a lot of the rucksacks have lots of pockets and compartments, and I find that slightly more problematic and don't really use all the side pockets and pockets. I think there is on here pockets attached to the waist strap. I just like it nice and simple and easy to use, because I think I've done quite well in minimising what I am taking, but that's individual to each person. So this is the rucksack that I've opted for. So 32 litre. Ta-da. Nice floaty microfiber type long sleeved t-shirt. I believe I bought this off Amazon, and the information when I was buying it is it will protect you. There's some protection built into this t-shirt, and any more labels, but that's what I wanted, something to protect, because I'm super sensitive to sun and will burn quite easily. So there we are, 2 tops, 2 bottoms. What else? Now, for a waterproof, I saw lots of other people on the YouTube channel talking about these jackets, and this is the Patagonia Houdini jacket, and it is as light as a feather, and I
Oh, turn.
You could just say, I'm just seeing if I could. So I got some nice little cards and gifts from some of my yoga friends in preparation for my trip. A little card. Have a wonderful time on your exciting journey. Lots of love from your Wednesday yogis, from all the lovely ladies, and a little wooden heart, a little pocket hug. So I'm going to carry that in my little bum bag, in my purse, and also this beautiful little bracelet with some tourmaline to protect me from the fears, and sunstone brings joy, positive energy and good luck. Tiger's eye for strength, courage and protection. That's really lovely. I gave my daughter went travelling, I gave her my tiger's eye ring, which I've worn since I was a teenager, and I gave it to her, and I've noticed she wears it all the time now. Kept her safe when she was travelling. So that's lovely.